In today's video, we're going to learn how can we download Microsoft Windows 10 from Microsoft's website. For that purpose, we need to open our browser. So I'm going to type in Windows 10 download and I'm going to hit enter key. As soon as I'm going to hit enter, the browser is going to take me to a lot of websites. We can see a lot of websites here, but we are interested in the first website, that is Microsoft's own website, Microsoft.com. So I'm going to click here, download 10 disk image now. This is the Microsoft's own website. So here there are a lot of options, right? So first option says that Windows 10 November 2021 update, but we are not interested in updating, right? We are not updating our computer from previous Windows. We are interested in creating our installation media, right? So I will click here, download now. As soon as I'm gonna press this button, media creation tool will start downloading. See, it has been downloaded now. I will click here on this folder button to go to my download folder. I'm gonna open this. This is my download folder, right? And this is the media creation tool, right? So I'm gonna right click this and click run as administrator. A new window will pop up that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? It's okay, I trust this. So I'm gonna click yes. Setup will begin like this. It will ask for certain options. It says that do you agree with the license terms of Microsoft? We're gonna click accept. Now it's asking me whether I want to upgrade my window. That is not the case. If you want, for example, if you're using previous versions of Windows like Windows 7 or 8, so if you want to upgrade from that window to this window, then you gotta select this option. But we are interested in installation media, so I'm gonna choose this option. Then I'm gonna click next. Next I have these options. First one is about language. Which language do you prefer? You can choose any language you want. As I use English, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. In editions, we don't have any options to choose from because it is the only edition we have. Here we have two types of architecture. For example, we have 32-bit that is meant for old computers. Old computers, I mean like very old computers, right? For example, if your computer has Core i5, Core i3 or Core i7 processors, you can run 64-bit, and 64-bit is highly recommended, right? And if you're not sure about whether you can check your computer or you can to be on the safe side, you can select both, but it's going to take a lot of time because the volume is going to increase because it will include both the installation files. So I'm sure that my computer can support 64-bit, so I'm going to select 64 and I'm going to press next. Next it says that whether you want to create a USB flash drive. No, I'm not interested in creating USB flash drive right now. I don't recommend this option at this stage. If the internet disrupts, all your files will be missing, right? So I recommend you to click ISO file. We can make our bootable flash drive later. I will explain it in another video. So you can click ISO file here, then click next. It's asking me where I want to save my window file. So I'm gonna select desktop and I'm gonna name this file as Windows 10 ISO, right? I'm gonna click save. So it will start downloading. This process is gonna take a while. It may take 15 to 10 minutes depending upon the internet speed. After the file has been downloaded, your window will be like this. It says that your file has been downloaded to this location. What do you want next? We will click finish button. Now it is deleting all those additional files that have been downloaded in the downloading process. This window is automatically gonna go off like this. This is the ISO file that we wanted to download. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and comment.